So hello guys, my name is Lauren and welcome to my garden. Today I decided to do something in the garden because today is a warm day and the sun shines like never before. And yeah, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cement something here um, in my greenhouse. Just want to put cement between the greenhouse foundation and the soil to hold the weight of the greenhouse, because I did it 4 years ago, but I did an experiment and it was not successful. So don't ask me what was that experiment. It's shameful. Yeah, today I would like to do it right. So cross your fingers, and I hope it will going to work. And this is what I'm doing now. Here, I'm going to cement that part, and that is about 2 meters and 10 centimeters long, I think. And there are parts here that I must also put cement on it. I'm just imagining mixing cake dough because it's but it's really heavy, guys. Cement, if you did something like this before, you know that cement is very heavy to mix, especially if you don't have the right thing to mix the thing. So I'm gonna mix it and then let's pour it in there. So guys, I think I'm finished with mixing. Oh, it's so heavy. So let's try to put in the gap. I think my cement is too soggy, but it will dry it. Okay, I'm going to pour all this and then I will show you the result later. Okay, see you later guys. I just finished this mixture and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like after. So guys, this is how it looks like now. I cemented it like slanting so that if the water flows from here, it will gonna flow here. So it's like that. I don't know if you can see it. And I still have a portion here that is not yet poured. Where is it? There. I still have here my last mixture. So guys, I still have here a little bit of the mixture, the last from my cement, and this will I will pour in this part. So let's try to do it together. My mixture is a little bit wet, that's why it's sag. It should be harder, but anyway, I don't have any cement anymore, that's why I cannot change the consistency anymore. I think this is a fast dry kind of cement or mortar. So let's see. Maybe later I will pour this area also, the gap between the foundation and the stone here, so that it will totally closed and hold a little bit of this greenhouse body. So yeah, I must buy another sack of cement for that. But now it's weekend and it's Friday. I will going to have a live stream later. So that's it for today. I will just use this mixture, and then yeah, I'm done. So guys, I hope you like the short video, and I hope you like it. Some of you knows better than I, and yeah, I hope that I did it right this time. So yeah, that was it for today. That was my construction work that waited for how many weeks before I actually do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Again, take care everyone, and thank you for all your supports. Thank you very much for watching. This is Lauren signing off. God bless you all. Bye bye.